Hello everyone, so welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to send spa and massage package details to Facebook leads automatically on WhatsApp. So imagine this, you are running an awesome Facebook lead ad campaigns for your spa and a new lead called as John has been generated from your Facebook lead ad forms. So you have John's name, his email address and of course his WhatsApp number. So what you really plan to do here is you want to send a WhatsApp message to John. And this WhatsApp message would be something like this. Hey John, thank you for filling the form. These are the spa details. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy the details of John from Facebook lead ad forms, sort it out, compose a message, insert the details and manually send it on WhatsApp to John. Now this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new lead is created on Facebook lead ad forms, it will automatically send a WhatsApp message to that lead. But also you know this, there is no active integration between Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. So in cases like these, we have to bring an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Facebook lead ad forms and WhatsApp. The best part of using this process is a person without any technical background can perform this integration very easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example.
Okay, so as you can see, this is a Facebook lead ad form that I've built for my spa and massage treatment. And this is a WhatsApp profile of a person called as Penny. And Penny is filling the form. So this is the email address of Penny, pennysnow123@gmail.com. This is the full name, Penny Snow. This is the phone number of Penny Snow. And she is actually a female, okay? Female. And let me just click on next and submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made by a person called as Penny Snow. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to look into the WhatsApp profile of Penny Snow whether she has received a WhatsApp message from me. Okay, so let's explore. Okay, so as you can see, this is the message that Penny Snow has received on her WhatsApp number. So, hi Penny Snow, thank you for signing up. Welcome to Ayurvedic Spa. We are so lucky to have you. So remember this is the name of my spa. Okay, as a special user, you will be among the first to receive about new arrivals, big events, and so and so. If you need any support, don't hesitate to reach out with the customer. Now, at the same time, you actually can see we have the details of the various massage package here. Okay, so if Penny Snow is interested, she is going to read this message and will be delighted to know about the various massage package. So the depth is, you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to WhatsApp? Okay, so you can send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to WhatsApp in just 3 easy steps. So we have the step 1, that is connect Facebook lead ad forms with Pabbly Connect. Simply put, first of all, you are going to log into Pabbly Connect and afterwards you are going to integrate your Facebook lead ad form to Pabbly Connect. Now we have the step 2, you are going to collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So you're going to make a submission in Facebook lead ad forms. The details of that particular lead will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect. Now we have the step 3, send the same data to Wati to send the messages on WhatsApp. So here's the thing, you should know that you can't directly send the messages on WhatsApp. So that is why in this video, I'm using the official API of WhatsApp, that is Wati, for sending the WhatsApp message. Using Wati, you can easily send the messages on WhatsApp to your users or to your customers, to your leads or to your students. It can be sent to anyone. Now the process is very simple. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account. So as you can see, I will be brought to the app section of Pabbly. This is the app section of Pabbly. At the bottom, you will find the part that is connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Facebook to WhatsApp. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find 2 windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So I want to send the data from Facebook lead ad forms to Pabbly Connect first. So that is why I'm going to type Facebook. So as you can see, we have choices: Facebook lead ads, Facebook comments, Facebook group, and Facebook pages. We are interested in Facebook lead ads. We selected it. Okay, so now we have to mention the trigger event. The trigger event is new lead. Okay, that's pretty much obvious. So what I'm going to do here is, first I'm going to click on connect. Now remember this, my Facebook profile is already open. Okay, let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with a new connection. Just click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Brilliant. So we have two fields now, page as well as the lead generation form. Let's start with the page. So as you can see, let me just take you to my pages. So these are all the pages that I've built in my Facebook account. All the pages that is created here is now being shown in the drop down. Okay, this is because Facebook is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So I'm interested in working with a particular page, and the name of the page is Ayurvedic Spa. So I have selected it, and also I'm going to select the same here also. So Ayurvedic Spa. Okay, so when I selected the page that is Ayurvedic Spa, it is showing the lead generation form for this particular page. Now this is a lead generation form that I've built for this particular page. So what I'm going to do here is, let me just take you to the publishing tools. So I'm going to show you that particular form, and here you will find the option more tools. Click here, and here you will find the option that is instant forms. Click here. So this is the form, sign up form. You click here and just click on test form. Okay, so as you can see, this is basically the same form, and what we're going to do here is we are going to enter some details. So we have a guy called as John Mosby. Okay, so the full name is John, or let's go with Mark, John Mark, and let me just enter the phone number, and of course he's a male. Okay, so we have added the details. The email is John123 and the full name is John Mark. This is the phone number and the gender is male. Let me just click on next and submit. Okay, so the submission has been made by a person called as John Mark. So what I'm going to do here is, when I go to Pabbly Connect and when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created lead. Now the recently created lead for this particular form is John Mark. Okay, so when I click on save and send test request, it will show me the data of John Mark. As you can see, we have the data of John Mark. This is the email, john123@gmail.com. Then we have the full name, John Mark. This is the phone number and this is the gender. So what we are going to do here is we are going to send a WhatsApp message to John Mark on this phone number. Now before I send the WhatsApp message to John, there is something I have to tell you. We are using a software called as 𝗏𝗏 to send the WhatsApp message. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, in the action window, I'm going to introduce 𝗏𝗏. Okay, what it is. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is, in the action event, I'm going to select send template message. So you must be thinking, why send template message? Now, if you're not familiar with 𝗏𝗏, so this is my 𝗏𝗏 account. Okay, and let me just introduce you to the dashboard of 𝗏𝗏. So this is my 𝗏𝗏. Now, if you are interested to know how to create your own 𝗏𝗏 account, how to log into your 𝗏𝗏 account, how to build your 𝗏𝗏 account, it's very easy. All you have to do is just explore the video which is added as a link in the description box. The video covers everything about 𝗏𝗏, how to create an account, how to log in, how to build templates and all those things. So just explore that video. It will be awesome for you to understand every process regarding the 𝗏𝗏. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to integrate 𝗏𝗏 to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away click on connect. We are going with the new connection. In the new connection, you have two things to fill, the API endpoint as well as the access token. Now these are very easy things to fill. So what I'm going to do here is, first of all, let me go back to 𝗏𝗏 and let me just click on these three horizontal lines. Click here, and here you will find the option API talks. Click here. Okay, so here you have two choices, two options. The access token as well as the API endpoint. I'm just going to, let me just copy the API endpoint first. Okay, so easy. And I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, that's done. Similarly, we are going to do the same thing with the access token. I'm just going to copy this. Afterwards, I'm just going to paste it here. So we have added the API endpoint, we have added the access token. Let me just straight away click on save. So when you click on save, you have some field, the WhatsApp number, the template, the broadcast name, as well as the custom parameters. Let's start with the easy one. So what I'm going to do here is, it is demanding that you enter the WhatsApp number. Now this is the WhatsApp number we want. Okay, this is the WhatsApp number we want. We want this data here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click here, and we have mapped it. Now let us read the instruction. enter a valid WhatsApp number with country code without the plus sign. Okay, so it is demanding that you enter the phone number, the WhatsApp number with the country code but without the plus sign. We do have the country code, that is 91. That's the country code. This is the phone number and this is the country code. But we don't want the plus sign. So basically what we have to do here is we have to remove this plus sign. Okay, so removing the plus sign is very easy. What I'm going to do here is in between the trigger window as well as the action window, I'm going to introduce one more window. Okay, so this window is another action window. And now since phone number is a number, we are going to format this number using this app called as number formatter. We have clicked here. Now in the action event, how about we go with spreadsheet formulas? Just bear with me, it's very easy. Just simply click on connect. Okay, so now we have to enter the formula. The formula that I'm interested in is, let me just click on the full list. It will show me the list of all the formulas. Now out of all these formulas, I'm interested in working with a formula called as substitute. Substitute. Okay, so this is the formula that I want. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. Afterwards, I'm just going to paste it here. So easy. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to enter the closed bracket. Okay, and after that, inside the bracket, I'm just going to insert the number that we want to format. We want to format the phone number and we have mapped it. Okay, now substitute what? Okay, I want to substitute this, the plus sign, with the help of with the blank. Okay, I'm going to replace the plus sign with a blank. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, let me just enter a comma, two double quotes, a pair of double quotes. Inside the pair of double quotes, I'm going to represent the stuff that I want to remove. I want to remove the plus sign, that is why I have introduced the plus sign. Okay, once again a comma. Inside the double quote, I want to mention the thing that I want to replace the plus sign. Now I want to replace the plus sign with a blank. So that is why it is blank here. So at this point, when I click on save and send test request, it will show me the phone number without the plus sign. Okay, so as you can see, this is the phone number. So once again, to make sure that we have this data in this window, let me just straight away click on connect. Now this time we are going with the new existing connection. Okay, now this is the recent one. This is the recent connection. Okay, these are all the connections that I had made earlier. Now this is the recent one. Okay, at the top, just click on save. Okay, I'm going to remove this because this has the plus sign. Afterwards, now this particular phone number is the one that we want, and this can be added from here, and we have mapped it. Okay, excellent. Now we have to mention the template. So what's the deal with template? Okay, I had earlier mentioned that we are going to send the message. Oh, I'm going to work with the template. So what's the template? So here's the thing about 𝗏𝗏. If you're working with 𝗏𝗏 and want to send the WhatsApp message, you can't just manually enter some, manually compose a message by typing some words and send it on WhatsApp. If you're working with 𝗏𝗏, to send the WhatsApp message, you have to use the templates. So what's the deal with templates? So let me just take you to 𝗏𝗏 and let me just click on broadcast. Let me just show you the template. So that is why I'm going to click on template messages. So as you can see, these are all the templates I have built. Okay, and as you can see, these are the templates that have been approved. Now remember one important thing: without getting your template approved by Facebook, you can't send the messages on WhatsApp from 𝗏𝗏. Okay, so as you can see, these are the templates that have been approved by Facebook. Okay, and the template that I will be working on is this one, SPA signup. Now remember this. One more important thing, that if you want to know how to create a template, how to build a template, how to submit the template, and how to get it approved by Facebook, we have an excellent video that will teach you everything from scratch. The link of that video is available in the description box. Just explore that link and you will see everything about creating a template, exploring a template, building everything from scratch, to submitting the template, and also getting it approved by Facebook. So this is a template that has been approved, and let me just show you the template. So as you can see, this is the template. Okay, here I have already uploaded the picture. Okay, and this is basically the template. So this is the template, and using the template as well as the parameters. So what is the parameter? Here we have some things inside these two curly brackets. So these are our parameters. So technically we have two parameters, the name as well as the company name. Using these two parameters as well as the template, we have created this particular message. Okay, so this was the parameter, that is the name, that's the first parameter, and the second parameter was the Ayurvedic spa, that's basically the company name or my spa name. This was the name of our lead, okay, and this was the company name. So using the template as well as the parameter, we have basically composed message something like this. So that's what we are going to do here also. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select the template, that is spa sign up. We have selected it. Now we have to mention the custom parameters. For the time being, just ignore the broadcast name. Let's focus on custom parameters. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this whole stuff. Okay, just bear with me. It's very easy. And let me just paste it here. Okay, that's done. Now we have to mention the parameter. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing the name and the parameter name. The parameter name is color and the value of the color is blue. Okay, so let's take another example. Imagine if the parameter name is email, the value would be something like john@gmail.com. Imagine if the parameter is age, the value would be some 2-digit number, 23 let's say. Let's say if the parameter is sex, the value would be male or female, something like that. If the parameter is phone number, the value will be a 10-digit number. So what if the parameter is name? I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to remove this and paste it here. Okay, so what is the value of name? I'm going to remove blue, okay, and here we have the name of the person, that is John Mark, and we have mapped it. So easy. Then we enter a comma, okay. I'm just going to copy this whole stuff once again, paste it here, remove the color. This time we are going to work on the parameter, that is the company name. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here. And what is the name of the company? My company name is Ayurvedic Spa. Okay, so we have worked on the parameters. So this particular thing, that is John Mark, will be available here. Hi John Mark. And here we will have the same thing, that is Ayurvedic Spa. Okay, now we have to enter the broadcast name. So what is the broadcast name? So, well, let me teach you what's the broadcast name. So let me just go to broadcast history. Okay, in the broadcast history, as you can see, these are the messages that has been sent to different people, and these are the broadcast name. So if you have a very unique broadcast name, you can figure out when the message was successfully sent, was it successfully read, was it replied, who was the recipient, and all the other things. So that is why I'm going to compose a very unique broadcast name. So first of all, let me just add the static one, that is spa. It will make me realize that this was somehow involved with spa. So we had a lead generation form called as for the spa. That is why we have the message, static message, that is spa. And here I'm going to enter the dynamic part, that is John Mark. This is because John Mark had filled the form. So fill the lead form. So when we see the broadcast name, it will show spa-John Mark. We will realize that a person called as John Mark has been sent the WhatsApp message because he had filled the form related to spa. Now imagine if a person called as Elon Musk fills the form, the broadcast name will be spa-Elon Musk. Okay, so we have mentioned the template, we have added the WhatsApp number, we have created the broadcast name, also we have added the custom parameter. When I click on save and send test request, okay, it will send this message to John Mark on his WhatsApp number. So this is the message that has been sent to John Mark. As you can see, hi John Mark, thank you for signing up. And these are the rest of the detail. And of course, this is basically the picture of the spa message, the massage package. Okay, so the presence of this particular message indicates that we have a successful integration between Facebook lead forms and WhatsApp. Now, before I leave, let me just show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Facebook lead forms to Pabbly Connect. Afterward, you have introduced the number formatter. The reason we have introduced the number formatter is we have to substitute the plus sign with the blank. Simply put, we have to remove the plus sign because 𝗏𝗏 doesn't want the plus sign. Afterwards, you have integrated 𝗏𝗏 to Pabbly Connect to create and compose a message with the help of the template as well as the parameter. So now we have a perfect flow of data between Facebook lead forms and 𝗏𝗏. Awesome.
Not just these apps, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, you can ask questions on forum.pabbly.com. Also, if you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. It will really motivate us to make more videos for you. Thank you.